Okay, so it's 6 p.m., 7
Yes.
p.m., 8 p.m., now it's 9 p.m.
Yes.
And we're sitting in this room. It's dark outside. Talk to me about lighting at nighttime or on a huge storm rolling in, clouds are dark. Talk to me about
Totally. And you know, that affects color so much. The different times of day are going to affect how you see and perceive color. But for us, we wanted to create various moods throughout the day. And so our home is on a lighting control system. And that lighting control system allows us adjustability of those various layers of lighting that we talked about before: decorative, task, ambient, and focal. And it allows us to control each and every level to get the desired ambiance that we want. So what we often do in evening scenes of lighting, we might keep the art, the light that's being part of the focal layer of lighting, we might want to keep that nice and bright. Whereas the ambient light and the decorative light, we're going to decrease its brightness to create a moodier environment. And so that's one of the things that we can adjust throughout the day. So during the daytime, everything's a lot brighter. It balances the light coming in from outside. But as the evening hours go on, or that storm rolls in, you might actually want to dim your lights so they don't feel so bright relative to the exterior.
Okay, so really the lighting control, if people were to just give it a few words, it could be the mood you want to feel.
Exactly.
Comfortable. You're having a huge party. Exciting.
Exactly. And that's one of the reasons the evolution of lighting has taken off so much in the last 10 years, is because the technology is there to support the creation of mood through lighting. So that's one of the really exciting aspects of this world we're living in these days.
I love that.